inspires your Vines?
Oh, many things, Chris. A sound, a smell, a sound that makes a smell.
With over 57 million loops and 150,000 followers on Vine, Stacey Nightmare is a creative force to be reckoned with.
Feeling like a boss, staring at the stars. It doesn't matter the cost, 'cause everybody wants to be famous.
Jesus Christ, get some WD-40!
These are people that we follow on Twitter because they're funny. Stacey Nightmare. The best way to get out of jury duty is to answer every question with a startled cat hiss.
You're probably familiar with there's a site called Hairy Chests I Want to Cry On. Have you heard of this? There really is. There really is.
Your producing team made me aware of that, yes.
So, you are front and center on this. There you are. The person, whoever posted this, put a little comment on the side. Mark Ruffalo. More like Mark Buffalo. Look at that hairy hide. Speaking of buffalo, I want to drive his body to the verge of extinction.
What was that person's name?
But actually, there's other people on it. There are some surprising people on this website. And now, brace yourself, Meryl, because... Am I on it? No.
All right, let's switch over to social media. It's the last day to save your Vines. Twitter is shutting the 6-second video service today.
So they're kind of shifting what Vine currently is into a new Vine camera situation, but the legacy of your Vines will be gone forever unless you start downloading them, and I'm pretty sure that deadline is today.
Shut down by the beach police.
Why do you think people watch your Vines?
Why do people go to the opera? Why do people watch Citizen Kane? Why do people listen to symphonies? Because they wanna experience great art, and that's what my Vines are. They are art.